some buffalo growing all up around the car there. Kids pool over there with full of water with a bike in it. Spin. It's empty. You know, there were some bottles there that put them in a bag and leave them so they can recycle them. This is like a little area. Spider plant there. Not sure what this vine is here. Might be passion fruit. Not sure. Got to start somewhere. If you ever wonder why I put a camera over there or why I'm working where I am quite often, the main reason is shadows. I can't stand them. I'm just going to start here, try and clean up a lot of this tin. There's a concrete slab underneath it, and if I clean that, then I can start utilizing that space as somewhere to put things. This yard is just loaded with just things, and in order for me to get a foothold anywhere, I need somewhere to put things. Oh. You know how I always tell you about redbacks, but I never actually show you any. Do you want to see some? This corner up here, you can see he's climbing up. Can't see that infamous redback yet, but that's a redback. And there's another one 1 meter down. There's another one there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're just all under it. This bit of tin. Where is it? Get it. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is the original bracing for the shed. now's a good time to tell you guys that I have a small spider phobia. There you can see the ground feel a lot better. Just pulled a bag out of that edge line. Just this whole yard, it's going to be contaminated, the grass clippings. There's a big old piece of my favourite polythyrene there. The grass is growing through it. Tried to get it out as one piece, but it broke. You can see the grass is just growing straight through it. Anyway, there. big blast and a bunch of cord at it. Yeah. And once you get down into the fines, we have a roly-poly and polystyrene, of course. It's a good day when your gloves are a matching pair. Heavy. Don't know what the bag is, but it says Bunnings on it. Clear as much of the dirt as I can so I don't go in with the whip and kick it all up while I'm standing there. I can clear it out now and wait a second for the wind to take it all away. Where the old clothesline was for this backyard here. I might try and utilize some of that space underneath the trampoline, put some of the shed under there, give us more space for stuff here. Whoa, that's a big one. Good size one, that one. I gotta show you. Probably do a terrible job here, but don't worry about that. That's just polystyrene. But that one there, that's a redback egg, and that one there, well, that's a big redback. And there's another one under the bottom there. Whoops. Gotta try and stack this. believe these redbacks are like the Americans' black widow. Max height, max revs, lowest speed. Nothing's worse picking something up just to put it back down again, but that's basically what we're going to do here. It's going to be a lot of binnage in this backyard. It's going to be a lot of everything. But that's all right. What we're here for, isn't it? Oof. Ah. Oof.